is our hotel. Hilton. Yeah. This is the view at night here. Harap namin sa shop. And also we have Domino's over there. Okay. Right.
So delicious. Strawberries.
Alright guys, para na mo idea, this is our hallway to our room, no? And this is our room 466. Yan. We're at the Hilton Hotel, Ocean Park and Resort. May swimming pool dire, pwede ka mag-gym, may gym dire, tanan kompleto. And syempre, moingon kag mahal, mahal jud, expensive because it's in dollars times 60. And if you ask me, the room rate of the room here is 30,000 pesos per night ang room dire. Okay, pero na may discount because we are attending the conference. Ayun, 1 week mi dire. Oh, ni nga nila. There's a guest laundry here. Oh, yes. So, manlabak ko niya. Alright. Sige, video. It's the video. We're in the Hilton Hotel. Ang room natin, 4th floor. It's cold. Gamay na lang, mag-snow na. It's 4 degrees. Degrees Celsius. Alay, makito eh. Alright, this is the view of our hotel here in Florida. As you can see, whew, it's cold. It's 4 degrees Celsius. Yun yung ano, sikat nila na boardwalk. Ayan, yung ginagaya sa Pilipinas. Gumagawa rin ng boardwalk ang mga Pilipino. Ayan, okay. It's the American flag over there. Ganda ng beach nila. Yeah. Pero, ay naligo kay Perting Tugnawa. Paano dito? It's a 32-mile beach. Kanya kanilang beach na yung mga turtles. Yeah, yung mga pawikan. And of course, napoy shark and crocodiles po daw. So, ay maligo kay Tugnawa. Alright, this is the view from outside of our hotel. As you can see, this is the beach. We're at Daytona Beach. It's January 28th. It's Tuesday. Yeah. Over here. You can see the beach here. Alright. Ayun. Very nice place and hindi na kayo bugnaw ron, medyo init na. It's lunch time here. It's 12 noon here. Nalumi man yun to. Right. Diyan na lang. Sige, storya mo. We're here in Daytona Beach.
Daytona Beach, Florida.
Hindi na kaya kung ano siya. Picture, background, it's video. Init na kaya, gigang na ko. Ha?
Picture that.
Yeah. We're going to get Uber Grab. Right. Screamers! Grabe, no?
Hala, 5G?
Oh, 5G nan bidutik ka.
Picture ko din.
Oh, gi-video na ko karon. Vomatron.
Hindi ba wala ko ng 5G? Uba na eh.
Grabe oy. Kuyapan ka na.
MG.
Right, we're out here in Daytona, Florida, and we're waiting for our Uber. It's my wife there walking. Wala daw siya giga. Video mo ni. Video. See the place. So that pag uli na ito Pilipinas, makita ni Kulyus. Kulyus! Diba?
Natugnaw.
Tinutugnaw lagi niya. Sikat magamit kung sa nina. Init na kayo. What? Right. I'm going to the Joe's Crab Shack here in Daytona. Let me check it out. It's Florida. It's January 29. It's Wednesday here. It's 4:30 p.m. That's right. It's the beach over there. Oh man, it's a nice place. And to my left is the hotel. It's where we stay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, man. There are birds here also. Huh? May beach there.
I won't give him a chance.
Uh-oh. Daytona Beach, Florida. Yan ah. Dagan mga guys. Maniligo. It's cold. All this cold, man. Okay, let's go over there. Check it out. Yeah, see there, that's our hotel over there, oh. Hilton. Ito ko ngayon sa Baywalk. It's close. It's close now. This is my view here. It's a nice view here. Oh, see? Yeah. It's the Hilton Hotel over there. Ligo siya ba eh? It's cold, man. Wow. Congratulations. Okay guys, we're here at Daytona Beach, Florida. Ay naligo. Views sa kayo. Joe's Crab Shack. That's our hotel over there, Hilton. Heavy. Let's try the water, no? Ligo ka ba? Yan makibog, no? Alright, this is the, saan siya, MJ? SpaceX launch in Kennedy Space Center. Wow, look at that, my friends. We're here at Daytona Beach, Florida. It's January 29 is the SpaceX.
Grabe.
Woo! Very nice. Wow. What a view, man. First time ko kitaan eh.
Pero,
Lagi?
wala din sa Pinas.
Wala dyan sa Pilipinas ba? Sulit nga ito nga ni Dre. Woo!
Grabe, padulong dito.
Pa-left siya, no?
Oh, maagi ka na dyan, sir. Isaka.
Wagi sa to harapit.
Ah.
Yusoy. Woo!
Grabe ka.
The Avengers are here.
Nag-video ka, sir?
Yeah, video ko.
Sige, may na imong buha.
Look at that, my friends.
Grabe.
Bro,
Oo.
lahi mo
Kita
kining
mo ang release sa ano. Iyang stage.
lahi mo kining kuan diri sa to, background na suga.
Mga mag-comment. Sir.
Yuso lagi, no? Bro, look at that. If you zoom in,
Oh.
light mo apil.
No, release na.
Layuan na eh.
Release na kayo.
Outer space na ba? Alayo na kayo.
Mulusot na siya, no?
8 minutes na, di ba?
Uy,
Space na.
mulusot na siya.
Oh, wala na.
Dili na pa na eh. Ang tumahulog man to yung ano.
Wala na malagi.
Hindi mahulog to, sir. Nagawas naman to siya sa atmosphere.
Oh, tura, oh, tura. Ah, tungkol siguro sa clouds. Napagamay. Pagdag gasolina.
Sayang kay ang iyang ano, dili nila i-recover.
Dili, day.
Sa
Ano
una
man?
kay mulanding man to balik dito. Kaso karon kay ano,
Ang iyon mas mo to, di
last
ba?
na manggo di, last na niya nas ano ba gamit. So ila na i-dispose.
Wala yun, kakalat-kalat na sa dagat.
Dili tuhaon naman to i-recover. Sa
Okay.
Gulf of sa to, Mexico mga kaihulog.
Mura mo siyang star na, mura ba na?
Ano siya? Ano siya?
Mura na siya, no?
Oo.
Wala, nagalutaw na na ron. Okay, that's it. SpaceX. Alright. Wala na eh.
Balik pa na.
We're here in Socana. We're gonna eat our dinner here. We have a master chef.
Fire?
Alright. Yeah.
Fire.
This is a Japanese restaurant here in Florida, Daytona. And here are my companions. Alright. Yeah. Whoa.
Vegetable.
The art.
Volcano.
Soup number 5 in Florida.
Grabe ka tawa.
Akala ko.
Okay.
May na ano.
Nice one.
Kaya siya good for? Ano yung bird?
Ano?
Oh, you wanna do it? No. Someone wanted to. No? Okay.
I'll just watch.
Alright, we're here in Sakana Restaurant in Daytona, Florida. This is our dinner. Okay, Bart. Japanese restaurant. I think fried rice. Burrito ni Mutan, no? Vegetable ta? Ooh.
It makes me more hungry.
Me too.
Right here in Daytona, Florida, Japanese restaurant. Right. Luto niya part.
Oh, thank you. You take it very nice.
Of course, like, yeah.
Guys, can we take a picture
Yes.
for all?
That is.
Right. We're in Daytona at night. Party.
Soup number 5. Thank you for letting me know that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. Okay. Git-git manggudihain. Mga
Yeah. Right here is inside the lobby of our hotel, Hilton Ocean Park Hotel. Alright. It's nice. You go check in, you go there, the reception. We're waiting for Kuya Ellison to pick us up. That's right. So you can see this is their lobby here. And who's that? Bing video. And I'm sitting down here. So many here people here.
Mag-video ta dali, hindi mo tag-post message niya.